Well, folks, I'm going to show you how we're going to log the car's engine. Some car preparers sometimes request this to monitor the engine status. So let's get started. We're going to go to Select, where you can see the mouse pointer. We'll click on Select, wait for it to open, then we'll go to Ignition Center 01, which is for the engine. We'll click on it, then we'll come to this option where you see the mouse pointer. For the valves, we're going to click here and it will open. Once it opens, you'll see a sidebar that will open for you. In this sidebar, you can add some options. You'll see the name displayed here. I'm typing it in the search bar, and you should activate the names that I'm showing you here. This is the first option. We're going to activate this first option, which shows the engine rotation. The second option that you need to activate is this one. Next, you'll need to activate cylinders 1, 2, 3, and 4, which represent the fuel injection time. If it's delaying or advancing the car's timing, it's all right. Finally, we're going to select the low pump option, then the high pump option. All right, we've selected all these options. We'll leave this mini screen and we now have all the parameters we need to log. So if we click on Turbo, it will start recording the parameters. You can add a graph here to see. I'm going to start the car engine now so you can see. It will start recording the car's injection time and everything else on the table for you. When you want to record, you can drive in third gear about 2,500 revolutions per minute until the end, or you can pull in fourth gear from about 200 revolutions per minute until it stops or changes gear. Then you'll see that the injection parameters are always correct in real time. Click on Save to save the log for later viewing. You click Log to start and it begins saving.